Hi. Okay. So, today I learned two very important things about my dog. One, he loves chewing on underwear. Let's have a look. That's him asleep in some old boxers I had. He tore them apart. See, look. I've also learned that he hates the doorbell. And I don't have a doorbell at this house. But apparently whoever was his last owner had a doorbell. And he doesn't like it. Here, watch. I'm going to play it. I was watching a video online. And there was a doorbell in it. So we're just gonna go back real quick here. Okay. Are you ready for this? It's pretty funny. Hold on. Can you see him? He's the yellow one with the SpongeBob. Ready? No momento.
Can I help you? Yeah, I'm the CPA you hired to take a look at your finances. Okay, so the topic audit.
We reschedule that for today?
Didn't make much money, did you?
Well, on
There he
paper, I was
goes.
really rich.
Milo
About
hates
a
the
week.
doorbell.
Just
Hates the doorbell. He's back. He came back. One second. Nope, he's gone. Milo! Milo! He's not coming back.